Well, this is the men's 100 fly S11. So Ortega, Liu, Oliver, KIMURA, MASHCHENKO, SNYDER, ZUDZILAU and LEMUS ROJAS. First to be introduced from Colombia, the 29-year-old man who used to work on a farm and quite by accident fell into swimming. He was required to swim often in a river in his job. Unwittingly found himself a competitive swimmer as a result. Yunerki Ortega of Cuba goes in lane 1, the 26-year-old. Strength is really his breaststroke, and he has improved his fly, which has certainly helped his IM racing. Hryhory ZUDZILAU, the 17-year-old, 5th in the 50 freestyle final at his first Paralympic Games, goes in lane 7. Chenquan is 25 years old, just recently shot to prominence in this event, a 106.85 in the preliminaries, man from Ningbo. SNYDER is already a multiple gold medalist. Two-time champion in London, already a gold medalist on 2 occasions in the 50 and 400 free in Rio 2016. 4th in this event though in London 4 years ago. Going in lane 3 is the man that finished 3rd as far back as Athens in 2004, the 28-year-old Israel Oliver, Madrid-born, lives in Tenerife but back training at the training center in Madrid. Bronze of the World Championships last year, silver 3 years ago. Oleksandr MASHCHENKO, Sasha to his friends, the 30-year-old. He's won silver going back to 2008 in this event, but he's at his 5th Paralympic Games. The man to beat though is arguably Keiichi KIMURA, the 26-year-old, silver in the 50 free, bronze in the 100 breast. He's the reigning world champion. 4 golds he took at the Asian Para Games, including this one. Keiichi KIMURA of Japan, bronze 4 years ago, wanting to upgrade. Enamad's world record still stands from the Beijing title of 2008. SNYDER goes in lane 6. Outside chance of a medal. He finished 1 outside the medals in London. Keiichi KIMURA of Japan, the swimmer to watch. Going in lane 4. Do not discount MASHCHENKO alongside him though. A man who's finished 4th already at the 50 free and 100 breast, but an 8-time Paralympic Games medalist, a 4-time champion is MASHCHENKO. Anxious moments for the Japanese fans. Ortega, Liu, Oliver, KIMURA, MASHCHENKO, SNYDER, ZUDZILAU and LEMUS getting away very quickly in lane 6. SNYDER, a superb start, but the underwater by KIMURA is impressive as well. As he breaks water, he comes up in front. Israel Oliver going strongly in lane 3 on his outside, and now making up some time in the water here is MASHCHENKO. A good fluid stroke, just drifting towards the right side of the lane. It is SNYDER now having a little trouble. Just swam into the left lane rope, but it is those 3 who are in top positions, KIMURA, MASHCHENKO and SNYDER, who touch at the wall.
Well, MASHCHENKO and SNYDER looking fantastic, but really KIMURA touched in first. They were going stroke for stroke, where KIMURA and MASHCHENKO. KIMURA though just starting to edge out a little bit of an advantage here. He's going to need to come home very strongly.
Well, Israel Oliver is pushing KIMURA. MASHCHENKO is trying to mount a fight back, and SNYDER is coming back on MASHCHENKO. KIMURA trying to hold on, but it looks to be Oliver who is coming back. It's Oliver who's going to take it at the wall, surely. Oliver for gold. Will he get it on the stroke? Oliver ahead of KIMURA, and MASHCHENKO finishes 3rd. SNYDER takes 4th for the 2nd consecutive Games, but what a finish, what a race. Spain has another gold medal in the pool. KIMURA denied that gold as the reigning world champion, but he upgrades from his bronze of 2012. MASHCHENKO, silver medalist in 2008, is a bronze medalist in his 5th Paralympic Games. What a race from Israel. Oliver. MASHCHENKO. Great swim from MASHCHENKO. What a finish again, so tight, so close.
Well, to give you an idea of just how well Oliver swum in that final 50 of the race, he touched in at the wall in 3rd position, almost half a second behind KIMURA. And they were stroke for stroke, but it was only the last couple of metres when he had his timing perfect towards the wall. Look at that, it was just a touch in it. Amazing, really. Such a slim margin. And KIMURA will be disappointed. He looked quite dominant at the turn and so strong, but a fantastic finish from the Spaniard. So Spain claims yet another gold in the pool.
In the S11 classification, the swimmers with visual impairment, severe visual impairment, some blind, but those who aren't are required to swim with blackened goggles. And indeed, those are being inspected by the officials before the results are made official. Israel Oliver claims his